Alright, y'all, decided to go back with the SR mats in the car. I just vacuumed the car out, and my son, of course, put his dirty feet in there. But it's okay. Kids gonna be kids. It's the back of the interior. Everything looking good. Told you I need to clean my car out, man. It ain't all the way clean like I want it to be, but it's looking real good. Yes, sir. Got the SR mats. Cleaned off the fingerprints. Got finished doing my windshield. And out of that, we are going to be done. But SR mats looking real good. I haven't seen them in a while. Maybe they've been sitting in my trunk, so I decided to swap them out. Get the last fit ones a break. And yeah. We're gonna finish that up. I appreciate y'all for watching. This is Country Boy Modz. Yeah. Hey.